All right, so just wanted to do a video to review how to do volume calculations. And this first video is going to start with just prisms and cylinders. So the formula for them is volume equals the area of the base. This is area of the base times the height. For the height is the distance between the bases. Okay, so it's important, first of all, to define the base. For a rectangular prism, it doesn't matter. Any one of the faces can be the base. So for instance, for this one, I'm just going to use this as my base. And so the area of the base is just, looks like 5, because it's the same as that, by 11, which is 55. And that's square miles. Okay, then to get the volume, I'm going to multiply that by the height. So it's going to be 55 square miles times 2 miles, which is 110 cubic miles. All right. For this other rectangular prism, again, you could use any one of these sides as the base. I'm just going to say that one. And then the height becomes the distance between the two bases. So this base then would be 10 by, this is 4, whatever you get there. And then the volume is going to be that base times your distance between the two bases, which is 5 kilometers. And that will get you your final answer. Similarly, for triangular prisms, you just have to figure out the area of the base first. So here's my base. Now remember, for area of a triangle, it's going to be 1/2 little b times h, where this now is the height of the triangle, which is different than the distance between the two bases. We're using h for both, but it means two different things. I advise you just to get the area of the base first before you get the volume. So for this one, my base of the triangle is 12. The height of the triangle is 4.1. So I have 1/2 times 12 times 4.1. Calculating that real fast, I get times 4.1, 2, I get 24.6 square inches. Then to get the volume, you're going to take that 24.6 square inches and you're going to multiply it by the height of the prism, which is given here as 7 inches. That gets me 172.2 cubic inches. So for this other triangular prism, you'll want first to get the area of this triangle. That's 6 by 8, and then we have a 1/2. So whatever that comes out to. And then you'll plug that in and multiply by the height of the prism, which is 5, to get your final answer. It's the exact same way for cylinders, except now the base is a circle. That means the area is pi r squared. Now this is a diameter. So my radius is going to be 1/2 of that 4 inches, which is 2 inches. So I'm going to plug that in here, pi times 2 squared. And on my calculator, that comes out to approximately 12.6 square inches. Then to get the volume, I have to multiply that by my 6 inches. Which is, again, approximately 75.4 cubic inches. Same thing for this other one. Even though it's turned on its side, it doesn't matter. Get the area of the circle. So base, this time we do have the radius. Then it'll be pi times 2 inches squared. And then you'll take that same area of the base and multiply it by your cylinder height, which is 1 inch, to get your final answer. All right. And that's it.